Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy channel. Today we are going to learn about Gantt chart, plan versus actual. Let's begin. See here, this is my chart table which I am going to prepare it for you. This is a basic chart, it's not a progressive. Only we will have a plan versus actual chart which we will create it. This is my chart which I have already created. We are going to start from the scratch, so I am removing it. And now just go to insert and graphs. You can select any of them. I'm going to select this one, stacked bar 2D, and it is here now. Right click on the chart, either on the chart, either on the chart design. Just go here and select data from here, either from here directly. It's a shortcut which we can use it very quickly. Select data, add data, values. I'm going to select this value as my data range, dates range, and then I'm going to add my days of completion and this data range. Okay, and then I will add again the series which is days remaining and days remaining series. Okay, and here you can see the serial number is coming. I'm going to edit it and I will select this data range, and you can see it here. All the information is available. Now if you notice, my dates are here and tasks are from 10 to 9, but I want to from top to bottom ascending order. I just click this one and these tasks, and you will come here on the chart. I will make it a little bit bigger. Come on the x-axis, and here there is a one option which is available, categories in reverse order. Just click this one and you can see the task is in reverse order and dates are upwards now. Now the first thing that I'm going to do it, I'm going to select this blue bars and no fill option, and you can see it, but you can see here the difference of these ones. I selected the range. This is my date, which is number here and here. I converted these dates in Microsoft Excel. Every date is having a number. So what I did it, I'll show you. For example, this date I just copied here and pasted it here, and this date, last date, copy and paste. Just come here, select this one and come on the date and select number. Okay, you will get this number. See, these numbers are available with you now, and if you will click on this one, date bar, you will come here on the dates and just copy this number, which is 44397, and again 44497. Now you can see the dates are as per our start date and end date. For this color, which is a days completed, I will change this one to green. These are my days completed, and this orange one I'm going to replace with the gray. These are the days remaining. So here you can see it that in this case how many days are remaining, and here how many days are remaining. Every task you can see it, and these lines, these ones, just select them and remove them, and you can give them the chart name, Gantt chart, project name. Okay, this is the chart. I'll again stress it on one thing, that whenever you have these things, you should have to make the experiments. How do you make the experiments? You have to make some, different data labels. See here, I selected this one, data labels, and I change the color. Here, if I want, I need the data, I will select the color. Okay, see here now, I'm changing them. Now you can see the days as well, that how many days are remaining in this one, how many days are remaining in here, how many days are remaining, and these are dynamic. If I am removing them, the numbers, you can see it is removing as well, and if I am increasing some number, you can see it is increasing as well. You can see it. It's very you can see it. I'm making the changes here, and all these changes are reflecting here. You can see that changes are there. So whatever it is here, you can make changes as per your requirement. And now here some small upgradation which you are looking for sometime. For example, you notice one thing, while I was inserting the data, I skipped this option to start date. What is the reason? I will explain it to you. Now when I'm going to put the legend, okay, on the bottom, okay, see, this one is the series name is coming, okay, and if I will go here, select the data, and you will see here the series name is there, okay. Now if I'm going to click this one, I just want to make it for you, okay. Now series name is days completed, remaining days, start date, it's coming. You can see it, the change what I have done it now. And if you want, you can remove and update your chart. See, on wherever you are looking for, you can put it over there, bottom, right, left, top. In this case, I don't want any legend here, it's okay with me. It is reflecting already whatever I'm looking for. So from here you can little bit make it increase the size, and you can do everything what you want. Solid colors you can fill in, it's up to you. See, it's changing. So you have to make some experiments with yourself as well. Thank you very much.